My name is Jimmy Costello from the NX Product Marketing Team, and I would like to discuss with you how feature templates can help simplify large projects. As you can see in this part, we have a complex whole with some added PMI. In this video, I will demonstrate how we can take this whole, create a feature template of it, which utilizes parameter tables, and show how this template can be used in later projects. The first thing I will do when creating a feature template is select the main feature which will be reused. As you can see, I can select this option for adding dependent PMI, and the PMI relating to the feature will automatically be selected. The next step in creating a feature template is configuring the user interface that will open up when the template is used. The first thing I am changing is the title at the top of the interface as well as the name of the file. As I move through changing the labels to fit my part, it is easy to see the modular benefits that this offers for any industry. Having an intuitive user interface enables simple reuse of features in PMI throughout future projects without requiring time to be wasted recreating past items. Now that I have finished with the user interface, I can select Finish and the template will be saved. But what if I want to go back and edit my template and add in an option to change the dimension such as depth on the whole? I can do this by going into the Reuse library and opening up my new feature template and creating a parameter table. When I open up parameter tables, you can see that I do not have any tables already set up. To create a new one, I will go down and select New Table from Expressions. When creating a new table, users have the ability to personalize it with a label and custom values for the specific expression that will be changed. For this example, I'm going to add in two configurations, one which will add to the whole depth, one which will make it shorter. In doing this, I will no longer have to create 3 separate templates for different size screws. Now that I have input the configuration values, I will rename the table and reopen the feature template author. Now that the template author has opened up, to add the parameter table, I am going to open the Configure User Interface option and simply double-click on the parameter table in the bottom left, which I have just created. As you can see, this automatically adds the new table into the interface and offers easy selectable options which can alter the value of the whole depth. I am going to verify that this has not created any errors by using the Validate Template option, and then I will demonstrate how to use the new and updated template. I have now opened another part which has datum coordinate systems placed and spaced out on a block. I have placed these on the edge to help demonstrate the variable hole depth that the parameter table offers. To use a feature template, I simply select it and drag it onto the work part. When this is done, the user interface, which was previously created, opens up and I follow the prompts given. As you can see, the parameter table offers a quick drop-down option, which is easily accessed and utilized to customize each hole. So just to recap what you have seen, we have created a simple feature template, customizing its user interface, explored how to add a parameter table, and finally, we looked at how to use the template. I would like to thank you for your time and attention.